A lending library has a fixed charge for the first 3 days and an additional charge for each day thereafter. Sarita paid rupees 27 for a book kept for 7 days, while Susie paid rupees 21 for the book she kept for 5 days. Find the fixed charge and the charge for each extra day. Fixed charge and charge for each extra day. So it says a lending library has a fixed charge and it has an additional charge. So let the fixed charge be x and additional charge by तो आपका जो कॉस्ट होगा, द चार्ज कॉस्ट विल बी फॉर 1 day it will be 1x, for 2 days it will be 2x, for 3 days it will be 3x. Fixed charge will be x, additional charge will be y. So let's say cost is m times x. हर एक दिन का एक फिक्स चार्ज होगा, पहले दिन का ये, दूसरे दिन का ये, and additional charge will be y. Additional charge will be y. Now it says for 3 days the charge is 27. So 27 equal to 3x plus y. 27 equal to 3x plus y. This is your first equation. And then it says 21 for the book she kept for 5 days. 27 for the book kept for 7 days, not 3 days. Not for 3 days. For first 3 days. Okay, I think there is small mistake that we have done. Let me erase this small mistake. Okay, if you say, it says first 3 days the charge is fixed. First 3 days the charge is fixed. And for the next few days there will be an additional charge. So first 3 days, let's say if she is keeping the book for 7 days, so out of 7 days, for 3 days she will pay fixed charge, okay? And for the remaining 4 days, she will have to pay an additional charge. Okay, so what is the charge? The charge will be equal to 3 days के लिए fixed charge, 4 days के लिए कोई variable charge plus additional आपको देना पड़ेगा. So the fixed charge जो उसको देना ही पड़ेगा वो कितना होगा guys? Let's say it will be 4x plus fixed charge which is y. Y तो आपको देना ही देना है, ठीक है? Y आपको देना ही देना है. So y becomes your fixed charge that you have to pay and x becomes your additional charge. So after 3 days 4 days बचेंगे, 4 days के लिए आपको 4x के हिसाब से चार्ज देना पड़ेगा. So it is 27 equal to 4x plus y. And again it says rupees 21 for the book she kept for 5 days. So again for 5 days इसमें से for 3 days she will pay a fixed charge. And for the remaining 2 days, she will have to pay something additional. So what will happen? The charge is 21. So 2 days. For 2 days she have to pay additional charge 2x and fixed charge she has to pay y. So now again you have two equations. First equation is 4x plus y equal to 27 and 2x plus y equal to 21. What do I do? Let us subtract these. So 4x minus 2x becomes 2x, y minus y becomes 0, 27 minus 21 becomes 6, x equal to 3. So 3 is your variable charge. I'll resubstitute x equal to 3 in this equation. So 2x plus y equal to 21. 2 times 3 plus y equal to 21. 6 plus y equal to 21. Y equal to 15. Y was your fixed charge. So यहाँ पर x हो गया आपका variable charge, y is 15. Now let's read the question. find the fixed charge. What is the fixed charge? Fixed charge is 15. And find the charge for each extra day. So for each extra day, she will have to pay 3. She will have to pay rupees 3. So this is your variable charge. Variable charge per day. Very important question, guys. बहुत important question था ये. And I hope you understood it. So that's it for today's video. I hope you liked it and I hope you learned so many things. So do like, do share, do subscribe. Thank you.